Clota RX is a complete clinic management solution designed to simplify daily operations. In this video, we will take a look at how the doctor module supports efficient consultations and structured digital workflows. This module helps doctor manage appointments, patient records, and prescription with ease. Doctors securely log in using their registered email address or mobile number. An OTP is sent for verification, ensuring secure access to patient data. Once verified, the doctor is redirected to the dashboard. After logging in, the doctor is welcomed to the dashboard. At the top of the screen, the dashboard provides a quick snapshot of today's activity. Today's queue shows the number of patients waiting for consultation. Completed displays consultations that have already been finished, and pending shows appointments that are yet to be attended. This gives the doctor a clear understanding of the day's workload at a glance. In the center of the dashboard, the 7-day consultation trend displays patients' visit over the past week. This helps the doctor track consultation patterns and overall workload. The Today's Status section compares patients currently waiting with those already completed. This provides a real-time view of patients' progress throughout the day. The appointment summary gives an overview of the scheduled, complete, and the cancelled appointments. This helps doctor understand appointments distribution instantly. On the right side, the upcoming patients list shows patients waiting for consultation along with basic details and current status. This helps the doctor see who is next in line. Below that, the recently completed section displays patients whose consultations have just been completed. This allows quick review of recent activity. Before starting a consultation, doctor can see the today's queue and completed numbers clearly on the dashboard. This gives a quick understanding of how many patients are currently waiting and how many consultations have already been completed. To begin, the doctor selects a patient from today's queue. Once selected, the patient's basic details and previous visit history are available for the review. This helps the doctor prepare for the consultation and ensures continuity of care. Once the consultation begins, the doctor can record the chief complaints based on the patient's symptoms. This clearly documents the reason for the visit. The doctor can then enter clinical observations and examination findings. Based on the complaints and observation, the doctor records diagnosis digitally. This structured approach helps maintain accurate medical record for future visits. After diagnosis, the doctor proceeds to the medicine section. Medicines can be searched and selected from the clinic approved medicine list. For each medicine, dosage, frequency, and duration can be specified clearly. This ensures prescriptions are accurate, standardized, and easy to understand. If the required medicine is not available, the doctor can also add a new medicine by clicking on the Add Medicine option. If required, the doctor can recommend investigations such as lab tests or scans. Additional clinic notes or instructions can also be added to support the treatment plan. Once the consultation details are completed, the doctor saves the consultation. The appointment is now marked as completed. The patient status is updated instantly across the system. Completed consultations automatically appear in the completed list. Doctors can revisit completed records whenever required. Doctors can securely log out by clicking on the profile icon and selecting Log Out.